Up for sale, 1981 Corvette, finished in factory correct yellow with camel cloth interior. Gonna walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up and then drive. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Quickly, I just want to run through this. It's one of about 137 factory yellow cars. 137. I got the black book, the Corvette black book in front of me. 131 yellow. One of 5,700 4-speeds. Think about how many were produced that were yellow with 4 speeds. Obviously not half. That's being very generous. Then how many were produced with yellow? You had 2 interior colors, charcoal or camel. Camel cloth, camel leather. How many are those? Realistically, this car is a very rare combination. Yellow with the 4-speed, with the camel cloth. It's probably one of about 150 to be very generous. So the car itself is a very rare combination. Now, let me tell you what they did to it. They built the motor, the number matching 350, at 76,000 original miles, I believe. It says it on the paperwork somewhere. 76,911 original miles. They rebuilt the motor to 425 horsepower. They boarded 30 over, so it's a 355 now. So I'm going to get to that in a second. Let me put this down here. In addition, you got your T-top covers. You got both of them here, and extra seat covers. If you're doing work on the car and you don't want to do the work over your nice cloth, clean interior, obviously, you throw those over. So let me pop the hood here and I'll jump into that. Okay, number matching 350. It's board 30 over, 355. The receipt that I had there was $12,700. That was the motor. I think a little bit of the trans, because the trans is definitely rebuilt. A radiator, headlight doors, all the gauges are working. So they spent a lot of money on the car. It has coated headers, aluminum heads, aluminum intake, double pumper. It's a 750 CFM carb, MSD ignition. Excuse me, I just burped. Obviously, a couple other things, factory power steering, AC, power disc brakes. So it's definitely got a lot of power. It's nice to see a lot of money be spent on this. And my favorite thing about it is that they still left this kind of factory original air cleaner setup on it. I love that. I hate when for no reason they have the number matching. They throw like Edelbrock valve covers on and a stupid air cleaner. I hate that. This goes along with the motor. It goes along with the car. Anyway, I will carry on though, because I don't want to talk too much about that kind of stuff. I know you want to get into the car and see, what it is. Factory aluminum wheels, spinner caps on them. I have, like I said, that piece of paperwork for the rebuild of the motor and all the other stuff that was done. I have the original selling, it's like a warranty sheet. It's not a protecto plate. I think in '81 it was just a piece of paper, so it shows the selling dealer. I got a picture of that on the ad. Also, you get the original heads, you get the original intake, the original carburetor, and 2 mufflers. You also get those. Anyway, sorry for rambling off really fast. Few stone chips on both lips of the doors of the headlights. A couple extra ones on them. At this angle, you're prone to take them again. A little couple marking on the tip of the nose. Oh, wow. It was a lot of talking. I tried to do this once before and I took way too long talking about that, so I rambled on way too much. Couple marks here on the paint. I know that the back portion, that plastic piece, is original paint. It has the selling dealer sticker still on there, and I mean it's very, very shiny. Just a little bit of fading. Phillips, Frankfort, Illinois. So this is original. I can't say whether the body, all the fiberglass body, the T-tops, and the front nose is original. I mean, if it was original, I would assume thered be more fading, but there's not. So I don't know if it's original paint. Some things make me think that it is. Other things make me think that it's not. Again, just a few little marks on the paint here. A couple stone chips down below. And however, the glass is in excellent condition. Both power windows do work. They go up and down. That's why I left them down. On C3s, this back lip here, this gets stone chipped. because it juts out a little bit. Coming from this tire to there, it'll bump, or not bump, it'll shoot the stone chips up and it'll catch. Few marks on this T-top, couple on that one. Sometimes the door will get caught popping open. Give it a couple extra yanks and it'll pop right open for you. You got the factory sticker in this door jamb here. Super nice though, nice weather stripping. And again, you got your factory. I got a lot of words coming to my mind. Camel cloth interior. Okay. I like the interior again. 80s cars, 70s cars, for whatever reason, they always seem to get dirtier than other classic cars. I'm not sure why. However, the interior is very clean on this car. And another thing I like is sometimes these kind of pieces, some of the plastic dash, even the T-tops seem to crack from age. There's really no cracking on them. So that's nice to see. You see the original trim tag there. Again, I will have a picture of that on the ad, but it shows yellow with the camel cloth interior. Seat covers look excellent. Front, obviously front, but passenger and driver side. And this back area here, super clean, nice. Even got the strap down there, batteries in there. That's where I'm going to put the T-tops and those seat covers and the other parts when it's time to ship to the new owner. Nice dash. Gauges are super nice. Just quickly, as I'm sitting here, I turn the car around, video's over. Stereo 8-track. It's a rarer option. Look at this. There you go. 8 tracks, baby. Pink Floyd, Queen, The Cars, Journey, Judas Priest, Nazareth, and another Pink Floyd. Have fun. Enjoy it. You see it there, if you can, 82,238. That's believed to be original miles. And I definitely do think it is. This underneath is super solid. There's no rust underneath. Both end caps are rust-free. Another thing I like, this is leather. There's no cracking on it. I know sometimes they get a little worn down over time. But this is nice. It doesn't have any. It looks to be tilt steering column as well. I said factory AC. Let me turn the key here. Oh, and obviously, thing you want to see, there's the 4-speed. Oh, here, let me do this window here. Okay. All right. I believe all the gauges do work. If any of them don't, and I find out after the fact, they'll have that in the ad. But I believe the wipers work. I believe all the gauges work. Obviously the windows work, you just saw. And actually I left the key on. You know, a couple little marks on this door from getting in and out. T-top fitment is super nice though. Front and side, as well as the fitment to the windshield, so no water is going to be coming in on you, as well as the windows that fit into the T-tops too. No water is going to be coming in this car. Trying to think. A little bit of dirt. This area is not too bad here. There's not a lot of stone chips. A couple little guys down below. Lip is nice. It's not. What's this little piece of fuzz? It's not cut. This is original front clip as well. You saw the back deck here. You know, a couple touch-ups on there, as well as a little bit of fading. Like I said, this is original paint. And 3 little cracks in the paint here, as well as a couple more stone chips down below. Nice. Again, nice door fitment. Another thing, did I mention it on the other side? I don't know. Doors fit nice. They don't sag, which is something common with these C3s. You know, it's always kind of not taken care of over time. Front door fitment's nice, as well as rear door fitment. No sagging. And a couple more marks here. Looks like 2 little checks in the paint. And a couple more marks on that door jamb there. Pop the door open. Another nice door jamb here. As well as another nice door panel here. So, it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video, so if you want to go on, check it out. If you have any questions, do let us know. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. A few more stone chips down there, miscellaneous ones. A little bigger chip right there. A little stone chip right there. A couple more little guys. You know, just a few stone chips from using it and enjoying it. I mean, that's what you want to do when you buy this kind of a car. Again, 355, number matching 350. However, electronic ignition, all the upgrades. I'm going to list them all in the ad. You heard me say it the first time. I don't feel like talking that much anymore. So thanks for watching, and we're going to fire it up now, and then we will drive it. Thank you. Here we go. Here's the 350. Number matching 350 Borg 30 over, like I said. I ran through all the options. We're going to fire it up now. Nice original underhood too.